Hi there, my name is Andrew Schneider with Systems Environmental Products. Today, I'm going to show you how to replace a defective micro switch on your TIDAL backpack sprayer. Let's get into it.
Without a battery installed and using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 7 screws that hold the cushion and the 6 screws that hold the back cover plate to the tank. You may require a flashlight for the deeper recessed screws. Set the cover plate to the side, exposing the pump, electrical, and plumbing. To gain access to the micro pressure switch, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 screws located above the pump head. Next, remove the black protecting cover, thus exposing the micro pressure switch. Using pliers, remove the 2 wires connected to the micro pressure switch. Attach the black wire to the terminal underneath the switch and the yellow to the other terminal. Next, fit the pressure switch back onto the pump. Next, put the black protective cover over the micro pressure switch assembly and fit the screws. To confirm that the installation was done correctly, test the sprayer using a charged battery and by turning the power rocker switch on to either setting. Now that the sprayer is working, you can install the back cover plate and the cushion. Make sure to tuck any loose wires and hose into the cavity of the back plate.
And with that, we have successfully replaced the micro pressure switch on your TIDAL backpack sprayer. For more information, visit us at www.systemsenvironmental.com or give us a call at 1-800-367-4015.